birthday,
Lola Dada.
God bless you po. More birthdays to come. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday po Ate Melda. Siyempre, good health. More birthdays to come. Ingatan ng mga tuhod. Para hindi na nai-injection.
Happy birthday, Lola Dada!
May the good Lord bless you with good health, long life, and peaceful life. God bless you and we love you po. Enjoy your birthday.
Kay Ate Melda, maligayang ika-75 taon ng kaarawan mo ngayon. Ang buhay mo ay patunay na ang pag-ibig at pananampalataya ay di tumatanda. Kitang-kita namin sa iyong buhay kung paano kayo nalagaan ng Diyos.
Birthday, Lola Dada. Salamat po sa binibigay niyo po sa amin. Huwag po kayo magbabago.
Happy birthday po, Lola Dada. Palakasin po po sana kayo ni Lord at bigyan kayo ng habang buhay. God bless po.
Hello po Lola Dada. Happy 75th birthday po. Sana po umaba pa po ang buhay niyo. More birthday to come. And thank you po sa pagpapaaral sa akin. Thank you po ulit. Happy birthday po Lola Dada.
Happy birthday po, Madam Imelda Bañez. Dalangin ko po ang inyong maayos na kalusugan at mahabang buhay. Muli po, maligayang kaarawan po.
55th birthday to you, Ita. May your special day be filled with all the wonderful things that brings you happiness. And more birthdays to come, Tita. Salamat din po sa pagpapaaral niyo sa aking anak na si Miko. We love you po, Tita.
Happy 75th birthday to you. Wishing you a lot of happiness and joy on your birthday. I love you, Mom.
Imelda, happy birthday. It's time of the year again, no? Save me some lechon.
Happy birthday, Tita. God bless.
Happy
birthday,
Enjoy
Imelda.
God bless.
Hello Ate Melda. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita Melda. More birthdays to come po.
Happy birthday, Tita Mel. May your heart always be happy. And thank you for helping our family. Wishing you good health and long life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Melda. Sana po lagi kayong malakas at walang sakit ang nararamdaman.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Boss Melda. Naway bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, walang sakit, para matagal mong makapiling ang mga mahal mo sa buhay, lalong-lalo na ang iyong mga apo.
Happy birthday po, Tita Dada. Wish you all the best in life, good health, and more blessing. Ingat po parati sa katawan mo, lalo na sa health. God bless you always. Love you!
Lola Dada, isang masayang pagbati sa iyong kaarawan. Ngayong June 1, maligayang kaarawan po, Lola Dada. Nawa po ay marami pa pong kaarawan ang dumating sa iyo at pagpalain ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Salamat po ng marami nung time na kami na andyan pa ng aking anak at kami po ay
Happy birthday po, Lola Dada. Sana po bigyan ka pa po ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Thank you rin po sa mga blessings na natatanggap namin. Sana po hindi na po kayo magkasakit at thank you po sa pagturing sa amin na parang tunay na ako. Happy birthday po ulit. More blessings to come.
Siya na isang taon sa akin. 75 siya ako, 74.
Happy birthday!
1 year siya.
Happy birthday, Dada! How young?
1 year older si Imelda. Happy birthday, si Imelda.
Bakit?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Mel.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mel.
Sorry, ikaw maganda.
Matanda siya, isang taon sa akin. Matanda ako, isang
Happy
taon
birthday,
sa
Ate Melda. We love you.
75 na siya. 75 ako.
Happy birthday!
Ana, matanda siya.
Birthday!
Happy birthday, man.
To all of us here,
Brenda,
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Blow out.
From Cerritos to Manila. Thank you.
More birthdays.
Hi Tita, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come and stay healthy as always. We hope to see you soon po. God bless you Tita.
Happy birthday, Ate Melda. 75 ka na. Nang dumating ako rito, hindi ka pa nagsi-60. Sana lagi kang healthy, beauty, huwag kang mai-stress, lalo na kapag ako ay bumabali. Hawak ko ang bit, hawak ko ang bit. Hawak ko ang bit. Yeah!
Birthday mo na pala, 75 years old ha. Milestone yan, talagang pinaghahanda natin yan. Anyway, you have a very happy birthday and may you have many more returns to come. How I wish I could celebrate with you, but you know, we have to come back to Canada in here. So regards to everybody and enjoy your party. This is a milestone and our age, you know, this is the time that we got to enjoy. Okay, thank you everyone. Hello.
Hi Ninang Mel. Happy birthday po. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat. Wish ko po, mas lalo pang bumuti ng kalusugan mo. God bless you more. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Salamat po sa tulong nyo sa aming mag-ina. Salamat po ulit and happy birthday. Ingat po palagi. Bye-bye po.
Ano po, Tita Melda? Happy birthday po. Ang birthday to come. God bless you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Dada.
Enjoy your special day and God bless you po.
God bless po. Thank you.
Go!
Happy birthday, Lola Dada! We love you!
Hi Mama, this is my better half Jessie and this is our baby Lilo. We just want to say happy birthday and we pray that you get to see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living.
Hi, Tita Melda. My name is Jessie. Like what she mentioned, I'm her husband. And this is Lilo. Happy 75th birthday. May the Lord bless you with more fruitful years. May you be a blessing to your friends and family, and we hope to see you soon.
Bye!
Hi Lola Dada, I just want to wish you a happy birthday and wishing you a good health, genuine happiness, and more birthdays to come. We love you so much and I hope to see you soon.
Dada, happy birthday po. Kaya po maging masaya po sa arawan ko. At bigyan po po kayo ng mahabang. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tita Melda! More birthdays